I had a really rough day today, and it's these types of emotional days that I really should not be trading. I crashed out, as the kids say nowadays. I crashed out. I tilted. Not really, to be honest, not really, but I kind of did at the same time. Things just didn't work out for me today, guys, and to me, it's kind of embarrassing a little bit just because of the fact that it's like, these are the days that you don't want to show. I don't want to show today, right? But this is my journey. Um, and it's crazy too because I was literally, literally, I was $32 away from passing my combine. $32 away from passing my combine. And I thought I closed it right at 53,000. But I guess I don't know if Topstep didn't fill me right when I clicked close position. When I clicked close position, my position was at 53,024. So I clicked close position and I somehow, some way got filled to the point where I didn't pass it yet. And that happened two times. The first time I thought I had passed it. I was $32 away. The second time I was about $80 away. So I just completely wasn't thinking, and I completely just killed my combine for no reason. I had a tough day today. My account, my funded account, I didn't blow my funded account, so that didn't happen. But my funded account is down. I think we lost two trades. The trades were fine. I didn't break any rules. It just didn't go my way. But it's frustrating, right? Because it's like you trade well and you lose and happens, and then from there I locked my account. I was responsible. I didn't completely like kill my account. But it's frustrating because I came into today thinking like I can take a $700 payout if I want. But we've been trading well and I want to continue to trade well. And we lose two times, so we're down like today on the day we're down like 900 something dollars. And that's what happens with sizing up. You got to be able to accept that. But like it was just frustrating to me because I'm like, I have no reason to be so upset at myself for taking good trades. We took good trades. I mean, I really don't feel like going over the trades today because I'm tired. It's already late at night. I had a rough day. But the trades are fine. We shorted at value area highs. It came down to value area low. I thought that we were going to expand. In fact, let's just kind of go over real quick. I mean, this move happened. I wish I was a part of that move, but I was part of it on the opposite way. If you go on replay here, we're just going to go over this like super quickly. But I mean, I was in this trade. You can see here, rejecting value area highs. I took a short, rejecting value area highs again, right? I took a short. I mean, this is a nice green candle. My bias was bearish, right? But we did double bottom here as well. And if we let the trade play out, tons of consolidation, another rejection of value area high, we're coming down again, right? Another rejection of value area high, another rejection of value area high, right? I'm thinking we're going to test these levels down here. We're bearish overall. So whenever we have tight consolidation, that's how I want to do it. I want to come down, right? But the market was just like, nope, we're heading higher. Right, so look right here. I guess I should have taken something off, but again, I thought we were going to test these lows. But the market was like, nope. And this candle completely messed me up right here. That one. Because I was like, what is going on? How? Like, it was right here where I was like, okay, cool. I think we're fine. We're going to follow through lower. But this candle just spouted out from the ground all of a sudden. And that was it for me. Stop loss above here. Sorry. Stop loss above here. These value area highs. And we lost. So here was where I blew my combine because I was like, oh, we can just short here. This is buying or selling climax. I'm sorry, buying climax, whatever it's called. I don't even remember anymore. Ended up taking a nice trade. We should have passed right here, right? But we didn't. I didn't get a good fill. Ended up shooting back up, and then I just blew my account somewhere around here. So, I mean, I'm just kind of frustrated. I'm tired. I've been so frustrated with life in general, where it's like my girlfriend has been working so hard. She's been working her butt off. And she had an interview today. She's been so excited to get a job. I mean, she killed the interview and she just didn't get the job. I mean, they emailed her on the same day. And she's been working so hard to finally get something, to finally get a job, finally help and contribute financially. And like she just keeps getting rejected. I mean, she's not doing anything wrong. The job market is just so hard. And I was thinking about that too. It's like sometimes like that trade that I took today, I didn't think I did anything wrong. Overall trend was bearish, immediate trend was bearish, right? We were setting lower highs. We were shorting a value area high. I mean, we did everything we were supposed to. We just lost, right? And we lost two trades because of that. And it's fine, like that happens, but it's so annoying when you're trying to go through life and you're working so hard and you're doing everything that you can to make things work, everything that you can to take life by the horns and say, this is what I'm going to do. And when something like that happens and you're just so frustrated by it, you're just like, oh my gosh, like bro, like what is going on? Like for me, I'm like I could have taken a $700 payout today, right? The account is I mean, the balance is to 465, but I only have $1,000 left in drawdown because that's just how it works on Topstep. So that's tough to deal with. Um, Obviously, my girlfriend didn't get the job today. We were so excited too. I mean, I was so excited for her. And it's days like these where it's so emotional that I shouldn't be trading. Work was fine today. I was fine at work, but like I was just so excited for her and called her after work. We were so excited and we thought she was gonna get it. Like this job was just so lined up for her and she just didn't get it, and I've been doing a good job as of late of separating my life from my trading, and I thought I did a good job of that today again. But once I locked my funded account and I started trading my combine to pass it, just so at least I could get that out the way, that's what ended up happening. So yeah, frustrated, but it is what it is. Like we just got to keep moving forward. I mean, I'm tired. I don't want to go to work tomorrow. I just want to lay in bed, but we got to come back. We got to bounce back. We're going to be fine. I'm going to look back and say August 5th, 2025 is going to be such a good learning point. I mean, I blew a combine, sure. Like, it doesn't really matter. It's just a combine. Like, I don't really care. We have like four free resets, right? We took good trades on them, except for tonight. Tonight we didn't. I think today's like the first day that I broke my rules in like a long time. And that was on the combine. It wasn't even on the funded account. The funded account, we did everything we wanted to do. We took one trade, we lost, we reset. We took another trade. I'm only allowing myself maximum two trades, right? They have to be the same size. You can't trade scared. So if we get a win, then we're done. If we get a loss, then we have another opportunity if we reset, which is exactly what we did. We lost again, and then you lock the account. It's just that simple. That's how I'm going to stay alive in this game. Um, but then I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna gamble on my combine. Sorry, just gonna gamble on the combine, see what happens, and that's what happened. I blew it. So I'm tired. I'm frustrated. Sometimes like I'm gonna talk a little bit. I mean, I've been talking about life, but I'm gonna talk a little bit about life before I end the video. But like, sometimes like you look at it in life, and I know my channel is called Trading Stoically, and in Stoicism they talk about the sage, right? Trying to get to that sage status, meaning like someone who is like completely virtuous and they know what that means. They know how to apply it perfectly. And in life, we're never going to become a sage, but we're always striving to become a sage. I know I'm nowhere near that. And even though my channel is called Trading Stoically, it doesn't mean that I'm always going to do the right thing in terms of responding to my emotions appropriately. Like my girlfriend was telling me to stop gambling on my account, and I just kept going. I could have stopped when I was only like 500 away from passing the combine instead of completely blowing it, but I just didn't want to. I just wanted to get that out the way, and I couldn't, right? I still have those habits, they're still within me. It's just that I've done such a good job of curbing them, of not allowing them to surface. But today was just one of those days where it just kind of sent me over the edge, and I was just upset with everything, you know? Alexa, stop. So it's just so frustrating to me that, you know, that this stuff happens, and that's life. Where in life, like this stuff is just going to happen. It's just going to happen. You're gonna get beaten down. You're gonna crash out. You're gonna tilt. You're gonna blow accounts. You're gonna do whatever, whatever, whatever. It's like, bro, like this stuff happens. I don't want to curse because I'm not someone who curses often, especially in public. I do it by myself when I'm alone, when I'm upset, but not on my YouTube channel. But when stuff like that happens, it's just so frustrating. It's so annoying. It's tough, and these are the days where it's like you gotta get back up, you know? You gotta get back up, and that's all I can do. So, real quick, I always like to do this in my videos too. Let's kind of go over my main account. So, down $935. You can see the trades we took. That's down. You can see the trades. Again, nothing crazy. It's not like I took bad trades. I didn't take bad trades at all. We're still up for the week, which is funny. But like, I didn't take bad trades. I took exactly the trades I wanted to take. I'm not upset by it, but we only have $1,000 left in drawdown. You know, I think something I could have done better too is looking at where prior day value area low was at, seeing if we could bounce from there, right? Which we did. There's nothing really indicating that besides this bullish engulfing on low volume. But yeah, anyway, guys, I mean, that's about it. I'm not going to talk too much about this. Like, should we take a payout? $230? No, we gotta keep going. We have three other funded accounts left. We can get another one by the end of this week, you know, like if we just reset and come back stronger. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm so tired. And it's late too. It's midnight right now. So obviously, I know this is dropping August 6th. So, it was just one of those days. I tilted, I crashed out, I guess you could call it. But we still traded well on our funded account. It's just we lost two times. And then the combine we blew. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video today. Hopefully, you guys are trading better than I am. Hopefully, you guys are having a better time in life than I am too. I'm praying to God that sometimes I question. I'm like, God, like we're working so hard. My girlfriend's working so hard. I'm working so hard. Working so hard, and it's like you just want it to come good. I'm praying to God that it just comes good, and I'm still waiting. So I guess I just got to be a little bit more patient. That's it, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully, you guys are trading well. And yeah, keep trading stoically.